Hi guys, this is Mrs. True, and this is a tutorial for the quiz 8.5D retake, so that's the chemical formulas quiz. So, first thing, number 5, or on your quiz it says number 2. How many atoms of beryllium are there in the chemical formula? The most common mistake is that people counted total atoms. I only want beryllium. Okay? Next one, the table shows the chemical formulas of 4 substances. So you've got all 4 here. Which substances have the same number of carbon atoms? So you are looking only at the C's. You need to be careful that you count all of the C's. This has carbon in more than one place. This one, the above chemical equation represents propane gas burning to produce carbon dioxide and water. How many atoms are represented in the products of this equation? So remember our saying, reactants, arrow, products. So our products are all of these. And I need to count all of the atoms in the products. Remember that if you have a coefficient, you multiply it by the subscript for every element. So that's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to let you figure it out though. Okay, number 5 was a bead question. What combination of beads should the student use for the following model? So they have colored beads to make a model of aluminum sulfate, Al2SO4 3. Aluminum atoms are represented by blue. So if I look at my equation, I have Al2. So I have to have 2 blue beads. I can already eliminate this and this. I'm going to leave it up to you to figure out how many sulfur yellow beads there are and oxygen green beads there need to be. Number 6 is how many atoms of oxygen are in 3 molecules of this acid. So you can't forget that you have a coefficient right there. And the last one. A compound secreted by honeybees to paralyze intruders is known as heptanone, 2-heptanone. The formula for the compound is below. How many atoms of each element are in 1 molecule? So you have to count them, but don't forget to add like elements together. So I would add this plus this plus this plus this to get carbon. Then I would add that plus that plus that to get hydrogen. How many atoms of nitrogen are in the chemical formula below? Do not forget to distribute when you have parentheses. And you should be able to get that one right too. Okay, give that quiz another try if you are unsatisfied with your first score. You can make up to a 70 or half of the points that you missed the first time. So that means that if you got an 85, you could retake. If you got a 100, you could bring that to an 93. Okay, good luck.